So the focus of the company is basically that where the patient goes into a hospital, goes with a particular disease and an infection, but within a patient has acquired infection. So the patient has acquired that infection from within the hospital. So we have certain products like this is the one, which is by the name as Polycyte, because all types of infections are there within the hospital. Now, so it is very important to have certain products through which we can also. There is one such product, that is by the name as Polysafe Tierra. Now, what happens? Like suppose in a hospital when you are treating a patient, the healthcare worker, and can transmit the infection to the healthcare worker. So with this in here, we are focusing on this, and we are educating the staff how to use this particular. Other than this, we are also adding to our range into the renal segment, then the blood banking segment, and the respiratory care segment. And this from Plexconsil and Parvexil. Plexconsil is basically a body which has given us the award for exporting maximum number of plastic medical devices, the product to the hospital. So this is a nutshell about Polymedical. If you have any questions, you can please ask. We are bringing in about our renal care facility, and we are also into the blood banking, where there are very few manufacturers in the country those who produce blood collection bags. So banking related to renal care, these products. 100 plus. 1,000 plus.
So how many more do you have?
We are planning to increase by another 50%, that is another 500. So we developed certain features. Which could ease in their day-to-day using this particular product. So this is one of a very important product for us. This is one, and this range which we have designed is being done. Like this is one which is being inserted into the bottle. Now, once when the fluid is flowing from here, so you have to expel out the air. You have to make this column entire air free, because if the air enters into the system, it can be fatal. So when you are doing that in the process, you have to expel out the liquid, so the drug gets wasted, and sometimes you have to throw it on the floor. I am Hemant Halla from Polymedical Limited. We are a public limited company. We started our manufacturing in 1997. So we are almost a 19 years old company now, and we have a turnover of around 400 crores. The focus of the company is to produce and introduce maximum number of DEHP products. DEHP is basically a plasticizer, which is basically used to make the plastic soft, because plastic is very rigid. So all the tubing products, they have the plasticizer. So our endeavor is to bring more and more number of DEHP free products, because DEHP is carcinogenic in nature and causes cancer, mainly in infants and during the pregnancy also. So we have different varieties of IV sets available which are DEHP free. And our major focus is to provide the safety to the patients and to provide the safety to the healthcare worker. So now this is one of the products which is completely DEHP free. This comes by the name as Autofusion. It has a filter over here. The purpose of this filter is to do auto priming, and auto priming is that once when you are running a drug through this, you have to expel out the air. So the function of this filter is that this filter will only allow the air to pass, it will not allow the liquid to pass. So once it is primed, the filter is removed, attached to the cannula, and the infusion is on. Now there is another important filter which is here. The property of this filter is that once when the bottle is getting empty, now this filter will only allow the liquid to pass, it will not allow the air to pass, because if the air passes, it can cause air embolism. So this is for the benefit of the paramedical staff, one. Second is, another product which we have is by the name as a safety IV cannula. This is to provide the safety to the healthcare worker. Now, hospital is a place where the accidents do happen. Now, suppose if the healthcare worker is treating any positive case
and if by chance that needle gets stuck to the healthcare worker, now the chances are there that infection can be transmitted to the healthcare worker. So we have a cannula wherein once when the needle comes out, there is a guard which comes on the tip of the needle, and the needle tip gets completely encapsulated, so there is no chance of any needle stick injury. There is a third very important product, that is in any hospital today the biggest challenge is how to prevent the healthcare associated infection. A data says that almost 20% of the patients, those who are in ICU, they do acquire a hospital-acquired infection. Now, to prevent that, we have a product by the name as Polycyte. This is something which gets attached to the cannula or to the ports of a central venous access catheters, and then through this area, it is from here. Now, the property of this is that it does not, it makes the system as a closed system, and by virtue of which there are no chances, or the chances are reduced to a great extent for the hospital-acquired infections. Thank you.